Hey there guys, it's Swag 100 here to do my Mirraco number 7 semi-custom. Start off with the Snafu blue foot pedals, or Lake Snafu. They're durable. As you can see, everything's blue practically except for the right cord and the stem. I got a white black label stem. Got spades for the valve covers. I got a Harrow front hub, Harrow tire, Harrow lacing, the whole tires. Dicro brake cords, lime green Odyssey, black label grips, pivotal seat post, mirraco sprocket, KHC chain. Rear hub is a Aiken 24. Front hub, yeah, I already said that. Headset's Creek. See, it's really cold. It's really cold here. Black label rims on the back, and this is a pretty sick bike, I have to say.